Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I've done several videos on the Symmetry tool, but I was just playing with it today. So go to Object Symmetry, create a new symmetry. We could hit this line and hit P and put it in the center of the page. And I'm almost 100% sure this tool started in X8, Corel X8. And then let's get the 3-point curve line and just make our outline shape. I'm just going to go from that dotted line to the dotted line. Look what it did. Then I'm going to go from there and go downward. Then I'm going to go, so you want to stay on that dotted line. You know, the side by side, they're not going to be perfect unless you copy it over there somehow. But this way you can really make some unique shapes, and you know, you can go back between symmetries and do like that. I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing that, but anything you do, my hand kind of jiggled there at the end. You know, you can just stay inside. I didn't get all the way to the line. You don't want to just draw a line because then you're going to get that. You want them connected, especially if you're going to smart fill it. Because what it's going to do is when you go from dotted line to dotted line, it's going to fill in that dotted line. And this would be a pretty neat way to make some sort of flower. You know, you could do the same thing with the contour tool, but if you did the contour tool, it'd be perfect. This way you don't have to be perfect. And you don't have to use the 3-point line. You can use the 2-point line and just draw a line up, let go, draw a line down, let go, and it's going to make that how many ever side star. And then when you're finished, just hit finish, and you could take the Smart Fill tool and color in, you know, and really see what you've done here by doing this. You know, go all the way around with the outside, then change colors, and you know, do the exact same one on the other side. Maybe fill in the blue, and you could come up with some pretty cool patterns in not very long a time. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.